EDAP Classroom, how to add and upload study materials. Now let's see how to add study materials to a designated class. Select Add Study Material from Teacher's Dashboard. From the list of added classes comes up, choose for which you need to add study materials. Now you will reach the Add Study Material screen where you can see various options. First, select the subject from the drop-down menu. And just below that, you can write down the chapter name. Videos need to be uploaded through YouTube and audios you can share directly. You can select and upload files from your computer itself. Also, you have an option to view the files selected. Next is the Add Slides option, where you can upload slides for classes in PDF format. You can save PowerPoint presentations in PDF format. Next is adding questions for the quiz. When clicking on that option, you will get boxes to write down. Question and its right answer need to be written first. Later, you can add other wrong options. Don't worry about the options. The system will shuffle options every time the student taking a quiz.